Hey there, eco-warriors. Today I'm diving into a hot topic for anyone passionate about the environment. Which fuel produces the least greenhouse gas emissions? We'll be comparing gasoline, diesel, methanol, methane, and hydrogen. Let's get started. First up, gasoline. This is the most common fuel for cars, and it's responsible for a significant chunk of CO2 emissions. When burned, gasoline releases about 2.31 kilograms of CO2 per litre. Not great, right? Next, diesel. Despite being more fuel efficient than gasoline, it still isn't much better when it comes to emissions. Diesel produces around 2.68 kilograms of CO2 per litre, but it also releases nitrogen oxides, which are harmful pollutants. So diesel isn't winning any green awards either. Now let's talk about methanol. Methanol is interesting because it's often made from natural gas or biomass. When burned, it produces about 1.37 kilograms of CO2 per litre. That's less than gasoline and diesel, but methanol production can still involve fossil fuels. Then there's methane. Methane is actually a really efficient fuel and produces fewer CO2 emissions per unit of energy. When combusted, methane releases about 2.75 kilograms of CO2 per kilogram. But here's the catch. Methane itself is a potent greenhouse gas, so any leaks during extraction or transport can offset its benefits. Finally, we have hydrogen. This is the golden child of clean energy. When burned, hydrogen produces zero CO2 emissions. That's right, zero. The only byproduct is water vapor. However, producing hydrogen, especially through methods like electrolysis, can be energy intensive and may still involve fossil fuels. So, what's the greenest option? If we look purely at combustion, hydrogen is the clear winner. No CO2 emissions make it an eco-friendly choice. But remember, the production process matters too. For now, methanol and methane also offer lower emissions compared to gasoline and diesel, but they come with their own challenges. Ultimately, the greenest fuel will depend on advancements in production technologies and our ability to minimize leaks and use renewable sources. So keep pushing for innovation and cleaner energy solutions. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more eco-friendly content. Together, we can make a difference. Catch you next time.